This video consists of 4 parts, which are Introduction to Rice Dumpling, Introduction to Dragon Boat Festival, the process of making rice dumpling, and its symbol and values. Zongzi, or simply zong, is a traditional Chinese rice dish made of glutinous rice stuffed with different fillings and wrapped in bamboo leaves, or sometimes with reed or other large flat leaves. They are cooked by steaming or boiling. In the Western world, they are also known as rice dumplings or sticky rice dumplings. They are often eaten when celebrating the Dragon Boat Festival. The renowned Dragon Boat Festival falls on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month. It commemorates the death of Irwan, who died because of suicide, a Chinese poet and minister known for his patriotism and contributions to classical poetry and who eventually became a national hero. On that day, Chinese people throw the rice dumpling to the river to prevent the animals in the river from eating Yuan's body. Nowadays, Chinese people will hold a dragon boat race to celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival.
Process to make rice dumpling. Here are the ingredients that we need. Day 1. Process. Preparing ingredients. First, boil bamboo leaf until soft, then wipe and snip both ends of leaf and leave for overnight. Then marinate the cut pork belly with soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, and sesame oil. Mix it until well combined. After that, add 5 spice powder, sugar, pepper, cinnamon, and star anise. Cover the bowl and refrigerate it for 1 night. Next, soak chestnut for 30 minutes, then boil the chestnut and remove the membrane. Take the shiitake mushroom and soak for overnight. Day 2. Process. Cook ingredients and wrap the rice dumpling. First, drain the shiitake mushroom and seasoning it with sugar, sesame oil. Secondly, wash, soak, and drain dried shrimp. Thirdly, wash glutinous rice until the water runs clear and let the rice soak for about an hour. Fourthly, cut the egg yolks into half. Then soak Chinese sausage for 50 minutes, then cut into thick slices to remove the membrane. After that, drain the glutinous rice, seasoning the rice with soy sauce, salt, 5 spice powder, dark soy sauce, pepper, and mix it. Next, stir fry separately dried shrimp, shiitake mushroom, chestnuts, Chinese sausage, garlic with shallot, oil, marinated pork belly, glutinous rice, and put aside. Wrapping process. Fill 1 table of sticky rice, add red bean paste, salted egg yolks, chestnut, shiitake mushroom, Chinese sausage, and pork belly. Then cover it with 2 tablespoons of rice. Press down to form a triangular shape and tie it with grass string. Cook rice dumpling process. Add salt to boiled water, then submerge the dumpling and cook for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, let the dumpling hang for 1 hour. After dry, the rice dumpling are ready to eat.
The tradition of Zongzi is meant to remind us of the village fishermen scattering rice across the water of the Willow River in order to appease the river dragons so that they will not devour Kuyuan. This race was the brave effort of the residents to save Kuyuan from the Willow River. For the bathing drum, splashing water with paddle was an offering to Kuyuan's spirit as well as to keep evil spirit away from his body. Real guard wine or Xianghuan wine is a Chinese alcoholic drink. Moreover, rubbed on the forehead of young children with Chinese word wan was the symbol for avoid poison and tiger's image beware of evil. 5th lunar month is marked as the poisonous month. The Chinese hanging calamus leaf on the door as a symbol of repelling insects from the house because the leaf can prevent epidemic. Children usually wear scented sachets filled with perfume or herbal medicines to ward off evil and protect them from disease during festival. The value of cultural education is an important spiritual value of Dragon Boat culture. The Dragon Boat culture itself is the carrier of Chinese traditional culture. It has communicated patriotism and collectivism spirit for thousands of years and has made important contribution to the development of Chinese culture. Dragon Boat culture has been internationalized, which promote the exchange of Chinese culture with other cultures and promote the friendship between the Chinese people and people of all countries. The physical health value is the embodiment of Dragon Boat movement, and it is also the most important social value of Dragon Boat as the Dragon Boat race has both the health functions of physical exercise and the competitive role of competition.